Without using much energy. Kayaking is not just about your arms. This is a really easy paddle today. You shouldn't be exhausting yourself. While we're paddling, we have the chance to see some wildlife today. Bighorn species of bony-tailed chub. Those two variations are bottom feeders, higher section. So we're paddling in between two dams right now. We've got the Hoover Dam current, that's why it's nice and cold. We're in totally controlled water built. This was class 4 and 5 rapids. It was a lot warmer Colorado River. And those fish thrive. They thrived bottom of the lake. Once the dams were built, their entire habitat changed. They couldn't, sounds gross, but it would be a lot grosser if they didn't. So
look at the views inside of this river canyon. Mountains all around. Right along the mountain. And super, about like 30 feet down there, 30, 40 feet. Up there. Hey, look, taking pictures of something. Right there is the ruins.
A huge issue for the dam, the cave. This is a really seismically active area for the Hoover Dam anyways.
Oh, a fault line, that's cool.
It would have been shaking all the time.
See that or not? Yeah. Dude, look at that. You should call it a crawdad. We're gonna let him go. We're not gonna eat it. You wanna hold it, honey? I don't know if let's see how hard it pinks. Who wanna test it? I ain't doing that. Shit. He's trying to get you.
That's awesome. Can I take your picture with it?
Oh yeah, sure. Do it again, do it again, do it again. Dang! I feel good, man.
Ours came with 2.
That's awesome. You'll have to send that over. That's awesome. We're just kind of starting our social.
He can hear, but he can't feel it though.
You said it feels good.
What the heck? Oh Lord, Jesus. Oh, don't lean too far now. There's an overhang trolley and the mountain walkway. Straight ahead.
We're entering the canyon where the Emerald Cave is, so start getting.
That is crazy. Freaking ledge. The fishermen looking for fish, but I don't want to look a motorboat across the way. I wonder what they're going to catch. Lizards. 1, 2. There it is on the edge. Yeah.
We're going to be back into it, so remember, we'll go one at a time.
Anything else, sir?
Everywhere.
Yeah. His tail grew back or something. It's different color.
They all Stop paddling. Yep. Just hang tight where you are.
The heck was that? Oh.
Start coming. Yep.
What up, Dre?
Those are some big boys, though. If y'all didn't have the rudders.
You can just paddle right back in. No more forward movement.
I can't
Pull
see.
your rudder in up front. Pull your. So you're gonna go your left.
Oops, sorry.
So, yep, and then left, go backwards.
We're inside of Emerald Cave. And my camera is
Paddle. Yep.
we're in the
Left,
cave.
backwards,
We're-
right. I know. Yep. Keep going back. Yep, and now backwards go. Is you can only enter through kayak, canoe, paddle. So in 2004, the first tour is traveling with today. So we're the longest running out now, and we're pretty happy with it. Those are mud dog or wasp nests.
Oh wow.
Nice.
That's cool.
The reason the cave shines, it's due to a few reasons. It hits that blue-green algae and reflects off of these brown walls that way a little bit. So in like 2 or 3 changes during the year because the sun changes position in the sky during as sparkly as we expect, but
Hey.
whoa!
Hey,
Yeah,
hey.
group words. Does anyone have a word they want to yell at this wall? Hot? 3.
Hot.
Back to Willow Beach now. We a little bit after noon, which I know was our scheduled time to get back, but love the kayaks and stuff today since it's Sunday. We didn't for sure. You burn your calories.
Huge. Oh no, he didn't do the tour, but he just went in a kayak.
Oh really?
Yeah, he did solo.
But the last time I lived here,
It's like you knew he's been practicing his target. They all actually are here to support you.
practice my role.
We'd love to have you back again.
Cheese.
So sweet.
It's a video. Philly Mo. You look cool with them shades on. You let them know. That trip is over. We're at 5.21 miles. More kayakers and beachgoers.
Kayaks up on shore a little so they don't float away.
My knee fell asleep. It's Emerald Cove. If you're in the area, check it out.